Hey guys, welcome to my channel Sengupta's Creation. I'm Yona Sengupta, your host and your coach, and today we'll be doing the third part, day 3 of Microorganisms, Friend and Foe. Actually, in the previous class, I've already started with some part of day 3. I have already done two subheadings, and we'll do the third, fourth, and fifth today. Okay, because I had no charge, it just went blackout, and I couldn't say bye bye to all of you also. So, today, let us finish it off. Okay, just a second, let me share the screen. I hope you can see the screen here, right? We have done again. I will show you here this part from day 3. I'm going to show you day 3. We have done useful microorganisms. What are the useful microorganisms in food and beverage industries, in making medicines and vaccines? These both we have already done, this too. And today we will be doing in agriculture and in cleaning the environment. Okay, we have finished this part, making medicines and vaccines, folios. We have already done yesterday. This is the picture of a child taking being vaccinated against polio. And today we will be doing in agriculture. So let us start. Before starting, I will give you 3 4 minutes. Uh, I will start a little later today because many have not come yet. Okay, so let me start. Now you will see in agriculture, you see that some bacteria like rhizobium, blue-green algae like nostick live in the root modules of plants such as gram, pea, etc. And these bacteria absorb the nitrogen of the atmosphere and convert it into nitrate, which serves as natural fertilizers for plants and hence enhancing soil fertility. So this is how in agriculture this happens. Okay. It can also, help in increasing the soil fertility. How you will see that some bacteria, again, what I was telling, that some bacteria are able to fix nitrogen and nitrogen from the atmosphere to enrich soil with nitrogen and increase its fertility. These microbes are commonly called biological nitrogen fixers. Okay, next comes in cleaning the environment. You see this? I'm sorry. What does means cleaning the environment? Okay, now as you have already seen that we have already observed the school gardener making manure. Now, what is this manure? Let us see. Now, along with your friends, what you do is collect wastes of plants, vegetables, and fruits from nearby houses and gardens. Now, what you do is put them in a pit meant, for waste disposal. So, what will happen after some time? It will decompose and will get converted to manure. Now, you must be asking that how did this happen, isn't it? Now, for this, what you need to do, I will give you a Example, what we need to do is take two pots and fill each pot half with soil. Now mark them A and B, both differently, and put plant waste in pot A, and things like polythene bag, empty glass bottles and broken plastic toys in pot B. Now put the pots aside and observe them after 3 to weeks. 3 to 4 weeks we have to observe. Now, do we find any difference in the contents of the two pots? And if so, what is the difference? Let us see. What will happen? We will find that waste in the pot A has been decomposed. But how did this happen? The plant waste has been converted into manure by the action of microbes, and the nutrition released in the process can be used by the plants again, isn't it? Next, you see, now did you notice that in the pot B, where the polythene bags, empty glasses, bottles, and broken toy parts did not undergo any such change? The microbes could not act on them and convert them into manure. Now we often see large amounts of dead organic matter in the form of decaying plants, and sometimes dead animals on the ground also, don't we? We do. So what happens? We find that they disappear after some time, and this is because the microorganisms decompose dead organic waste of plants and animals, converting them into simple substances, and these substances are again used by other plants and animals. Now thus what happens is microorganisms can be used to degrade the harmful and smelly substances and thereby clean up the environment. So this is what we are calling in cleaning the environment. Now I will show you some other uses of microorganisms. Here you see, now you see certain bacteria and protozoa normally live in the digestive system of some animals, cows, goats, goods, and seeds, right? Now they help the animals digest the grass and plants by breaking down cellulose, which are the plants themselves cannot do. And bacteria are useful in tobacco, formal leather, and jute industries, like tanning. Tanning means what? To make animal skin into a leather by treating it with chemicals, and it is tanning is done with the help of bacteria only. And in the village, animal waste from crops is decomposed by bacteria in the absence of oxygen to produce methane, which is used as a fuel, and it is one of the chief constituent of biogas. Now here is a video link for you. You can watch them. This is the PPT link, and here comes our assignments. Right? Assignment. First one. Here I will write it down for you all. Okay, let me write it down. Just a second. So the first question is, what is fermentation, right? What is fermentation, guys? Tell me. Yes, fermentation is a chemical process by which molecules such as glucose are broken down anaerobically, Bicoli. Okay, I will write it down here. Okay, so this is number one. It will be easier for you. If I write down, na, that this all will be easier for you all. Okay, now comes number two. Explain the role of microbes in cleaning the environment. Now, in small, I will tell that microbes help in cleaning uh, up the environment, and they decompose dead and decaying matter from animals and plants. This is number two answer. I'm writing, just a second. They decompose dead and decaying matters from the plants and animals and convert them into simpler substances which are later used up by other animals, plants and animals. So thus they are used to break down harmful substances, meaning if they break down harmful substances, means that they are helping in cleaning the environment. Here it is. This is number two. Next, what are antibiotics? Okay, here it is. Now, the medicines which kill or stop the growth of microorganisms in our body are called antibiotics. Small, sweet, and short. Let us keep it. Okay, number three. So, this is number seven. Just a second. So, these are called antibiotics. I hope you are understanding what I am telling. Now, okay, what is the time? Okay, so it is already the end of our class. We will end it here. Okay, thank you. Bye bye, and have a nice day. If you like our video, please like and subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon so that whenever I'm online, you can join me too. Okay, thank you, and have a very, very nice day.